Chapter 15. Great People of India. Rabindranath Tagore. The Bard of Bengal Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for his literary work Gitanjali. He was actively involved in politics and totally supported the Indian nationalists' fight against the British rule. Our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, was also written by this great poet. Mahatma Gandhi called him Gurudev or the great teacher. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. First Vice President of India Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5 September 1888 at Thiruthani in Tamil Nadu. He excelled in his studies and started his career as a teacher. He was a great scholar and had an impact on the students who admired his principles and values. He became the first Vice President of independent India and was the second President of the country. His birthday is celebrated as the Teachers' Day every year. Subhash Chandra Bose, a great freedom fighter. Known as Netaji, Subhash Chandra Bose was born at Cuttack in Odisha on 23 January 1897. He was a good student. His parents sent him to England for higher studies, but he returned to India to serve his motherland. In India, Bose met Mahatma Gandhi and joined the Indian National Congress. Chittaranjan Das was his guru and mentor. Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. We celebrate his birthday as our national festival called Gandhi Jayanti. He was a great leader and freedom fighter. He believed in ahimsa, which means that people should be kind to one another. We lovingly call him Bapu. He believed that every kind of job is special and people should not feel ashamed to do their own work. He spun thread using a charkha and wove cloth for his own clothes. Major Dhyan Chand, the hockey wizard. Major Dhyan Chand was one of the greatest hockey players of India. He is also known as the hockey wizard or magician of hockey. He was born on 29 August 1905 in Allahabad, now Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. His date of birth, 29 August, is celebrated as the National Sports Day in India. He joined the Indian Army at the age of 16.